second year from Electronic and Instrumentation Engineering. We do a project based on the title Automatic Zebra Crossing. It comes under Control System and Design Analysis. The components we used in our project are Arduino, servo motor, LED, and PCB board. Arduino is a microcontroller platform which take input from the device and controlled output. Servo motor is a precise control over angular position, velocity, and acceleration, making them suitable for accuracy and stability. LED, which are used as the traffic light, and PCB board, which are used as the power supply. Next, how it's working will be explained by my batchmate Srinati.
The system aims to protect the pedestrian from road accidents. In this work, the barricades are placed on the zebra crossing. When the traffic light flashes red, the servo motor actuates the barricade and it is automatically lifted. When the green signal flashes, the barricades lay down. The major goal of the project is to control and organize a steady flow of traffic without causing any accidents at zebra crossings and to enforce the law for everyone who has been breaking it. The system uses servo motor to control the barricades and it automatically helps the pedestrians to cross in a safe manner. Thank you.